Could you please print each occurrence of my word given in this string, right? So if your interviewer asks this question, you have to print a occurrence of each word. So how you will start this code? So whenever your interviewer asks, the first approach came in my mind is I will take out this first word and compare to the rest of the word available in the string. Perfectly fine. There is not an issue in this code, right? So I have just two methods here. One is a basic one, and this I will code in front of you. Okay, so what is the issue in my basic one? So whenever you just code it, I will thought, okay, I will take out this and just compare it with the others. So if I run this code without these extra lines, okay, so I will make you understand this code, this extra line, do not worry about it. Okay, so what I will do, I just remove this one, okay, and let me run the code. Then first I will make you understand what is the problem in it. Okay, if you just run this code with the help of to loop, let's take out the first one and compare to the rest ones. Okay, so if you run this code, I am just calling a helper method, that's why let me call this method. Okay, yeah, so if you run this code, you are getting a output that is not good. Okay, so if you look into the screen, what the output is, Java occur 2 times, is occur 2 times, and good occur 2 times, language occur 1 time. Again it started giving you the output that is Java occur 2 times. And why this is happening? Your code execute till here, but when you came to the Java, again you are just comparing to the rest of the words, and that is a good, right? Is and good. So if I put the code again, okay, if I put that code again back, and again the name changes here. So if I put that code again, let me minimize it. So what we are doing it here, also two approach came in a picture. If this is problem you occur in your interview, you would just put a special character. Whenever you found Java, here just put a zero, a dollar, or a star, whatever. So again your is increased and it will not give the like output. Okay, but here what we are doing, what I am following here, if I got that my word in my string, right, Java or gold, so I just want to swap the numbers. What the numbers that my current position where I'm getting that number and to my next position. So if I get this Java first here, so what I'm doing, I'm just putting is in place of Java and good in place of is. So I'm just decreasing the length of the my string, that's all. So here I just decrease the length and j. So if I run this question now or this code, so I will give the perfect output, right? So this is a perfect code. Okay, not an issue. So this is a perfect output here. So if your interviewer asks to improvise and this you are using 3 loop here, so this is not a good approach, right? So what will be the good approach? Here you are having one method which is expecting a string like the above one. So how you will start? The very first thing we will say, if my string equals to null, I do not want to perform anything, just simple return. Or if this is not null, just create one hash map. Why? And hash map of a string. Okay, hash map of string and integer key value pair. So why, if you ask me, actually why we are doing this, simple. I want to place my each and every occurrence of my word, okay, with my word and occurrence. That's why I'm taking my string and integer. So this here I will store my word and here I will store my occurrence. Okay, how we will do that? Just simple one line code. Okay, nothing we need to do. So the at above what we are doing, string and words, and we just say split. Okay, and on the basis of your space. So we got our words here. So let me give the proper name here. So words. Now if once you got a word, just put a for each for each on that your array. So string word. Okay, you got a word from words one by one. Now I need to put into my map. So map put. So just look this line very carefully. Okay, this will save you a lot of time. So map, and I will say what I want to store at key word. But here is a trick, map dot get. Okay, I will get word. So if you do anything like this, it will not run. So what I will do, I will put a ternary operator in it. Map.get word, if it already available, if it is give null, it means it's not available. So in that case, I will return 1. If it is available in the map.get word, if it is available, just return +1 on it. Just simple, your code is finished. You don't need to do anything, just one line code. Now your that code is finished, but remaining what I want to use, set of string. Okay, why I'm using set of string, and this is called keys. So I will say map.keyset. Okay, on the key set I will again put my for each. Okay, and here I will again say give me the key from the key set. Perfect, this is fine. Okay, what I'm saying, just put a for each on my keys. So here I will print out, and how I will do that, my key, this key, and just use this plus concatenation, and occurs, you will say occurs, and again how many times, map.get, not put map.get, and for what, key. So here from this line you will say key. So your key, what we are storing in a key, that is a string, the word is coming, right? And how many times it occurs, so I will already told you before, when I'm just declaring this, right? Like in place of my string I will just use my integer where it store the occurrence. So you will get a value of your occurrence from here. So let me just take it and just place it here and run this code. So now it will just give me the output in the form of key value pair, and from that you can get an ID. Okay, so as you can check, Java agar 2 time is agar 2 time, language agar 2 time, and good agar 2 time. So let me minimize it. Okay, so this is only you are using one loop and in one line. So I know this is, if you are using this first time, this is with something new for you. Okay, so now if your interviewer doesn't have an idea, like obviously he has an idea, but if he doesn't want you to perform any complexity or anything, he just want the answer, you just go for it happily. Okay, this, because this is a basic approach, and basic always a good way. And if you want, doesn't have idea of hash map and all, and just go for it. And if you have an idea and he want you to perform a like good approach, just go for this hash map one. Okay, I hope you learned something new from this video. If you like this video, just subscribe and like. Okay, and if you want to cover me some other questions, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will see you in the next video with some other codes and questions. Take care and bye bye.